Wow, what's that?
She went for the turtle. You like the turtle one, huh?
What's that?
Look at that, how pretty! It's Ariel! Yes, it is.
I think it's not on.
No, you have to turn it on.
Is this, what's
What
this?
you got there? Do they glow?
Is it the monster?
Well, that was a no shot.
Come here.
She jumped
Look.
out. She's like scared.
Come here. Look.
It's okay.
Come here.
That's so silly, isn't it? Is it jumping? Yeah. Isn't that neat? It's a glow stick. Ariel and Jasmine and Cinderella.
Okay, it's enough with the monster. It's a
Is
bat.
that a cat?
Hey, you. Look here.
Look at that. Woo! Are you spinning? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, careful. They might fly off.
Oh god, I hate that.
Yeah.